Some people get rich and you don't even notice. No flashy posts, no loud announcements, no big moves on social media. Meanwhile, others are everywhere, talking, posting, chasing attention, and somehow still not getting rich. So, what's going on? Why do the quiet ones win while the loud ones keep chasing? Let's slow this down. Today, making money looks very visible. People are building in public, posting, daily sharing every win, talking about hustle. And on the surface, it looks right. Because attention feels like progress. More views equals more growth, more followers equals more success. And honestly, if I were you, the question in your mind right now is, if attention is growing, shouldn't money follow? That's what most people believe. Everything looks right. People are active, they're visible, they're consistent. It feels like they're doing everything correctly. But something doesn't add up. Here's the real issue. They're optimizing for attention, not for assets. Let's call this the visibility trap. It feels productive because people are watching you, but watching is not paying. Here's the difference. Attention is rented. Wealth is zoned. When you build for attention, you need to keep showing up again and again. The moment you stop, it disappears. But when you build assets, they work quietly, even when you're not there. Think about this. There's someone posting every day. Reels, threads, advice, growth tips, 100,000 followers, good engagement. But behind the scenes, they're still figuring out how to make hours 50,000 consistently. Now compare that to someone else. No audience, no content, just a simple service business. A few repeat clients, quietly making Rs 2-3 lakh every month. No noise, no audience, just outcomes. That gap? That's the visibility trap in real life. So why do people still choose visibility over ownership? Because visibility gives fast feedback. Likes, comments, views, it feels like momentum. But real wealth is slow, silent, sometimes boring. Building a system, learning a skill, deeply investing consistently. None of this looks exciting online, so most people avoid it. Not because it's wrong, but because it feels invisible. And here's the part most people miss. Sometimes, visibility doesn't just distract you, it actually delays wealth. Because instead of building something valuable, you start building something that looks valuable. And over time, that creates a second trap. You don't just depend on attention, you start needing it to survive. Imagine this, 2 screens. On one side, notifications, likes going up, followers increasing. On the other, bank balance, client list, actual income. Now pause. Only one of these grows. When you stop working, let's make this simple. The loud path, post, get attention, repeat. The quiet path, build, improve, compound. One depends on people watching. The other depends on value growing. And the market? It doesn't pay for noise. It pays for outcomes. Here's where it gets uncomfortable. You've probably seen this. Someone goes viral. Suddenly they're everywhere. Thousands of followers overnight. But a few months later, same content, same effort, less response. Because now, they're not building, they're maintaining attention. Now compare that to someone else. Same time period, no posting, no visibility, just learning, building, selling. No one noticed until suddenly they didn't need attention anymore. So, why do the quiet ones stay quiet? Because they're protecting focus. Every time you perform, you split your attention. Part of you is building, part of you is thinking, how does this look? Quiet builders remove that pressure. They don't optimize for perception, they optimize for progress. They don't need validation, they need results. Here's the twist: quiet doesn't mean invisible forever, it means invisible until it matters. The results show up later: a profitable business, a strong skill set, a system that runs, and when it finally becomes visible, it looks like overnight success. But it wasn't. It was just quiet work compounding. So, this isn't really about being loud or quiet. It's about what you're building underneath. Something people can see, or something that works even when they don't. So, here's the real question: are you building something that grows quietly, or something that needs to be seen to survive? Because the truth is, if your income depends on attention, you don't own a business, you own a performance, and performances stop. If you want to understand how products fail, pivot, and evolve, watch the breakdown of Tata Nano and Hike on the channel. Drop your thoughts below.